The Zeneara supplement is a revolutionary product designed to assist individuals suffering from hearing problems. Over time, various factors such as pollution, improper ear cleaning habits using cotton swabs, prolonged exposure to loud noises, and even genetic predisposition can lead to the buildup of toxins in the ears. These toxins damage the connection between the ears and the brain, often resulting in hearing loss or tinnitus, that constant ringing in the ears. Traditional treatments such as hearing aids can be uncomfortable and may not address the root cause of the issue. However, Zeneara offers a natural alternative to effectively support and restore auditory health, providing hope for those seeking a comprehensive solution. Zeneara stands out for its 100% natural formula, free from harmful chemicals. It combines plant-based ingredients, herbal extracts, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that target the underlying causes of hearing problems. By addressing these issues, Zeneara works to restore the connection between the brain and the ears while detoxifying the ears of accumulated toxins. This process helps eliminate persistent tinnitus and enhances auditory clarity. Zeneara provides a holistic and safe approach to auditory health restoration, making it the ideal choice for individuals seeking long-term relief without relying on synthetic treatments or invasive procedures. To achieve the best results, consistent use of Zeneara is essential. The recommended treatment involves taking the supplement daily for at least 3 months, although a full 6-month cycle is suggested for lasting and significant improvements. This commitment allows the natural ingredients to effectively restore communication between the ears and the brain while promoting overall auditory health. Users who have followed the treatment report clearer hearing, reduced tinnitus symptoms, and an improved quality of life. Zeneara natural composition ensures it is suitable for most individuals, offering a safe and reliable alternative for those facing hearing challenges. Zeneara also comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, providing peace of mind with your purchase. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can contact the support team within the guarantee period to receive a full refund, ensuring a risk-free experience. However, it is crucial to purchase Zeneara exclusively from the official website to ensure authenticity and avoid counterfeit products. The supplement is not available in pharmacies or other online stores. For your convenience, the link to the official website is provided in the description. Don't wait to take care of your auditory health. Experience the natural benefits of Zeneara today and rediscover the joy of hearing clearly and without interruptions.